Good morning, dear Professor. Thank you very much for listening to the report of Group 13. Next, let's show you our report. Its title is Strategic Action Plan Formulation, the analysis of relationship between ICBC's customer satisfaction and service quality, waiting time, customer loyalty. My name is Sun Wenyan, and the names of the other 4 members of our group are Cai Huihui, Wang Xuehong, Sun Bingbing, and Zhang Huaxu. Our presentation includes 6 parts: introduction, method, analysis, strategic action plan, conclusion and recommendations, references. Okay, let's go to the first part about introduction. Industrial and Commercial Bank of China was established on November 22, 1985. It's an internationally renowned domestic commercial bank. Objectives. The aim of this project is to provide a strategic action plan based on the results of analysis. Renouncing includes 4 aspects: reliability and validity test, principal component analysis, correlation analysis, regression analysis. Key highlights: customer satisfaction and 3 independent variables of service quality, waiting time, and customer loyalty. This paper conducts reliability and availability test, principal component analysis, correction analysis, and rejection analysis on the data, and obtains the relations between customer satisfaction and service quality, waiting time, and customer loyalty. Now, it's our second member, Wang Xuehong. Welcome.
Hello, Professor. My name is Wang Xuehong. This part will introduce 4 aspects as the slide shows, and I will introduce 2 sections: sample population statistics, questionnaire, reliability, and validity analysis. Next. First, let me talk about simple population statistics. It is not difficult to see from the table that the main customer group is married citizens aged 26 to 45 with a monthly income of more than 5,000. And there are more women than men. In terms of family size, families with 1 to 5 members account for a larger population. Next, I would like to talk about questionnaire reliability and validity analysis. KMO value of 0.901 greater than 0.6 indication that the result is very ideal. The chi-square value of bulleted specificity test was 1,601.849 and 300 degrees of freedom sig p equals 0. The above results show that the sample data are very suitable for factual analysis. Now, my teammates will continue to make specials. Thank you, everyone. Next, 蔡慧慧.
Hello, Professor. Let me introduce the principal component analysis. First, principal component analysis of customer satisfaction. It's based on questions 6 to 10. It can be seen from table 5.4 that the common factor variance after extraction is between 0.646 to 0.81. So there are no items to delete. It can be seen from table 5.5 and figure 5.1. The using principal component analysis to extract principal components and extracting one common factor can explain 73.25% of the total variance of the original 5 variables. And next page. We summarize the common factor 1 of extractors customer satisfaction. According to table 5.6, we can get the formula for calculating the value of the extract common factor 1, like the slide shows. And next page. This page is about principal component analysis of service quality. It's based on question 11 to question 15. It can be seen from table 5.7 that the common factor variance after extraction is between 0.525 and 0.686. So there are no items to delete too. And it can be seen from table 5.8 and figure 5.2 that using principal component analysis to extract principal components and extracting a common factor can explain 67.742% for the total variance of the original 5 variables. And next page. So we summarize the common factor 1 extractor service quality. And according to table 5.9, we can get the formula of service quality. Next page. This slide is about the principal component analysis of waiting time. It's based on question 16 to 20. We can see from table 5.10 that the common factor variance after extraction is between 0.601 to 0.795. And also there is no items to delete. From table 5.11 and figure 5.3, we can see the using principal component analysis to extract principal components and extract one common factor can explain 70.603% of the total variance of the original 5 variables. Next page. And we summarize the common factor 1 of extractors waiting time. According to table 5.12, we can get the formula for it. And next, this slide is about principal component analysis of customer loyalty. It is based on question 21 to question 22. From table 5.13, we can see the common factor variance after extraction is between 0.657 to 0.791. So there are no items to delete too. And table 5.14 and figure 5.4 show that using principal component analysis to extract principal components and extracting one common factor can explain 71.934% of extracting one common factor of the original 5 variables. And the next page. So we can summarize the common factor 1 of extractor as customer loyalty. We can get that formula according to table 5.15. For calculating the value of the exact common factor, like this slide shows. So the above is the introduction of principal component analysis. Next, welcome Sun Bingbing.
Dear teachers, I'm Sun Bingbing. I will introduce the following 3 sentences: collation analyze, regression analyze, and strategic action plan. Collation analyze. Firstly, in the collation analyze between servers quality and customer satisfaction. The collation confidence between servers quality and customer satisfaction is 0.812, showing a highly positive collation. Second, in the collation analysis between waiting time and customer satisfaction, the collation confidence between waiting time and customer satisfaction is 0.783, which is highly positive collation. Finally, in the collation analysis between customer loyalty and customer satisfaction, the collation confidence between waiting time and customer satisfaction is 0.827, which is highly positive collation. Next page. Wenyan, next page. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Relation analyze. There is a linear relationship between servers quality, waiting time, customer loyalty, and customer satisfaction. Next page. Wenyan, next. Thank you. Based on the above analysis, we have formulated the following strategic action plan for ICBC. 1. Adhere to the tenet of customer first and powered customers with quality services. 2. Adhere to effortless first. Create a new government service expense. 3. Adhere to customer matters and empower customer loyalty. Thank you for your listen. Next is Zhang Huaxu. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Zhang Huaxu. I will continue the last part. In this paper, we analyze the relationship of the level of service quality and customer satisfaction, the relationship of waiting time and customer satisfaction, the relationship of customer loyalty and customer satisfaction. It is found that customer satisfaction has a direct positive correlation with these three factors. Next page. 文彦 Thank you. However, the research level of this paper is still shallow, and the follow-up can continue to carry out more specific and in-depth analysis from these three perspectives. Next paper. This from our team. Thank you for your listening. Thank you.